Last month, the attendees at the AMD Ryzen 2000 series launch event in Munich spotted a miniature AMD graphics card. At the time, we thought it was PowerColor's rendition of the highly anticipated Radeon RX Vega Nano. However, the latest press release from the graphics card manufacturer stated otherwise. Apparently, the prototype that was on display in Munich was actually the RX Vega 56 Nano Edition. Unfortunately, PowerColor didn't reveal any technical information about the graphics card that we didn't know already. And so, we're back to the waiting game for a proper RX Vega Nano release.